हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जो है मैक्रामे फ्लावर बनाना सीखेंगे। आप देख सकते हैं इसके इस तरह के फ्लावर बनाना सीखेंगे आज हम। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं मैक्रामे फ्लावर बनाना। हाय फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न मैक्रामे फ्लावर। तो टुडे वी विल लर्न हाउ टू मेक अ पेटल्स, macrame petals. We learn to make these type of petals. Okay, you can make flower by using these petals. So you can make 3 petals to make a flower like this, and you can also add 2 more petals to make a flower. So 1 2 3 4 5 petals. You can add 5 petals or 4 petals, or if you want to bigger flower then add more petals. Okay, so today we will learn how to make a petal. Okay, let's start to make these type of petals. You can see these are very easy to make, and where it's look very beautiful after making this. You can see this is macrame flower. We will tie with gathering knot together, so we will adjust this petals to make flower. Okay friends, let's start to make petals. First we will learn to make petals, these type of petals. Okay, so you can take 1 meter cord. You can take 3 cords. You can take 3 cords. If you want, if you see these cords are thick, then just take a strand of these. Okay, so I take these strand to make petals. You can use these cords also, 3 cords. I already fold it into half and fix it here, and take another cord, fold it into half and make double half hitch knot. Okay, you can see, put the cord underneath the main cord, and make double hitch knot. I made one loop by using double hitch knot. You can see, and other loop. Push it to make this, fill this gap, and after making this double half hitch knot, I take another main cord and put it, and I use this cord here also make half hitch knot, double half hitch knot like this. It is very easy, you can make it. You can see this gap, you can push it to fill this gap. You can tie it. Okay, you can see like this. We also add 2 cords. Then you can see I added 3 cords, 1 2 3, and this is the main cord. Okay, so we will start to make border. You can see here, we can start making border by using double half hitch knot. But these are the cords. When we are going to make a border like this, these are downward direction, all these are in downwards direction. So we will make, when we work, we are make border from up to down, then this will work main cord, this will work as a main cord. So simple, we make it half hitch knot, double half hitch knot, we make 1 2 loop, 4, and by using this cord we also make 2 loops. All these are the 6 loops, all these will be 6 loops. Also we will do same to the right side, half hitch knot, 2 loop, you can see 3 4, and this one is 5 and 6. Also to fill these gaps, you can see, to fill these gaps we will add 1 cord. Take 1 more cord and fold it into half and place it underneath the cord. Separate it together half in. Then you can see I added 1 more cord, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, and I added this one is extra cord. So here to my left side, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, these are right side. Okay, let's also again we make border by using all these cords. We need to make 7 rows, 7 line we will make like this. If you want to make more long petals, you can add more extra cords. I added here 1 and 2 cords, only 1 and 2 cords. The first I added 1 cord here to fill this gap, and I will add 1 more extra cord. I made this border line, you can see 1 2 3, and to my right side 1 2 3. I will, to fill this gap, I will add 1 more extra cord. As you can see, I added these cords, and again we will make double half hitch knot by using this cord as a main cord, and we will make 7 rows. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I will explain you why I am not going to make this at this moment. After making 7 rows, after making these 7 lines, we will make this. Okay, let's make first 7 lines. So I have already made the 1 2 3 lines, and 4 lines I have to make more. Let's make. As you can see, I made 6 rows, and this is my 7th row. Just simple using the double half hitch knot, I made this petal. You can make bigger petal by adding more cords, long petals, just adding more cord. I also do same to my left side, right side, by using the double half hitch knot. You can see after completing this process, when we tie all the petals together, it will going to be very beautiful flower. And this is almost completed. And I made my 7th rows. Okay, to make 8 rows, 8 line, we make first cord as a main cord, and this I made half hitch knot, and I put together this cord with main cord in my hand, and I will use this cord to make half hitch knot. It's very simple. Again I put this cord in my hand, and I will use this cord for making double half hitch knot. Again I put it in my hand together, and I will make half hitch knot. Again I put this cord in my hand, and this is my last hitch knot. I will do the same process here. Okay, you can see these are my petals. Okay, after making these petals, we put them together. Put them together like this to make flower. You can see, adjust them to make flower like this. You can see it looks very beautiful, very beautiful. You can make it. You can add under between these petals anther if you had, or you can use cord, another cord. So I am going to use these cords to make a anther like this. After adjusting these, putting these together here, I will adjust these flowers, these petals, to make flower. You can see. And after setting all these adjustment, after keeping all these adjustment, I'm going to tie this using this thread underneath. You can see, by using gathering knot, I tie all these. If you find these petals are loose, You can adjust by using the threads. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर if you like these videos, and it became useful for you. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.